Hi there. Hey, we've all had it happen to us, right? You click on a link, and instead of going to the article or the web page that you were looking for, you end up getting this giant error 404 page not found message popping up on your screen. And what do? You probably click away or click the back button and start searching elsewhere. Well, if you're a business owner or website owner, that is not what you want users doing. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how with just a couple of simple tweaks, you can take that 404 error message and have it work in your favor and keep users around on your website instead of having them click away. Before I begin, let me introduce myself if we haven't already met. I'm Meg, and I'm a yoga and meditation teacher turned Squarespace web designer, and I'm the founder of Floating Lotus Design. I'm here to help you elevate your wellness website and your business without the tech overwhelm. And listen, if you like this video as you're watching it today, do me a favor and tap that like button down below, or even hit subscribe if you're so inclined. Knowing that you're out there and you like what I'm doing is really helpful to small channels like myself, and I'd love to have your feedback. So let's get started. Having a 404 page is something every website owner needs to have, and most website platforms come with a basic template that everybody just clicks on and it's out there. Because, hey, I'm never going to have anything with a broken link, or nobody's ever going to have to get that error message from my website, right? Wrong. Even as pros, even the best in the biz, at some point down the line, if you've been around long enough, are going to have a link get broken for one reason or another, and that error is going to pop up. The key is to make that error message not be the reason somebody completely clicks away and doesn't visit your website. If they've come to your website for a reason, you want to keep them there. So what I'm going to show you today is how to make a custom 404 page in your Squarespace website. And with a few simple tweaks and adding some extra information besides just an error message, we'll show you how to get users to the resources they need and keep them on your website instead of having them click away. So let's jump into my demo website and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so here we are over in my demo site. And first I want to show you the default 404 error page that comes with Squarespace. So if you just head over to Design, you will see right down here, 404 page. Okay, so here you see the system default 404 error page not found. That just comes right out of the box with every Squarespace site. Pretty generic, couldn't find your page, blah, blah, blah. There's nothing that's going to entertain or keep anybody on this page. They're just going to click away. So here's how you can change this. Let's go back to our main menu, come to our pages, and I've already done this here for the sake of time, but you're going to add a new not linked page, and you're going to create your own page. So let me expand this so you can see this a little bit better. So here I've done a custom 404 page. So you created this just like you would any other page. I've added a section. I threw in a cute little picture, some animated text, and just made it a little bit more bold. Something went wrong. We can't find the page you're looking for. Don't run off just yet. And down below here, pointing them to some of our most popular content so that they'll be encouraged to click through and see if they can find what they're looking for or just explore our site further as opposed to just clicking away. And also down here, gave them the option to reach out and contact us. You can set this up to send an email and let you know maybe what link it was that they were looking for that's broken. Some people are nice and they'll want to help you out and make you aware of that. Or they'll maybe reach out and ask you a question. But once you have your page created, and quick note, don't forget to check your mobile, make sure mobile looks good. But once you have that page created, you're going to come back over to Design, come back to that 404 page, and you're going to click this down arrow here. So instead of going with the system default, you're just going to come on down here, select your custom 404, hit Save. Now, once you've done that, if anybody should unfortunately come across a broken link or missing content on your website, they're going to get your custom page and hopefully continue to peruse your site or find what they're looking for and not click away. And that's all there is to it. All right, then. I hope you found that helpful and can see now how it doesn't take a lot of extra effort or time to make a few tweaks to that 404 page to help your users stick around if, God forbid, they do get a 404 error. By infusing some personality and links to important resources, you can get them right to where they need to be instead of clicking away and going someplace else. Thanks so much for watching. And be sure to check out some of my other tutorial videos in Squarespace, and check out the description below for some links to some free resources, as well as some great products that I recommend for your website as well as your wellness business. I'll see you again soon.